11 mind-blowing uses and benefits of Amla powder that transform your body incredibly powerful. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, has been a cherished ingredient in traditional Indian medicine for centuries. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, Amla powder is made from dried amla fruit and is gaining popularity worldwide for its potential health benefits. In this video, we will explore the science-backed uses and benefits of Amla powder, as well as dive into real-life experiences that illustrate its impact. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Boosts immunity. One of the standout benefits of Amla powder is its role in boosting immunity. The high levels of vitamin C enhance the body's ability to fight infections and inflammation. Nutrition facts. Org highlights that Amla powder may help reduce oxidative stress markers, which could aid in bolstering the immune system. For example, a 2019 study published in the Journal of Food Science found that regular consumption of Amla powder helped increase white blood cell activity in test subjects, leading to improved immunity. Additionally, Amla's antioxidant compounds like quercetin and ellagic acid play a role in strengthening immune function by reducing inflammation and cellular damage. Sarah, a working mom from California, shared her experience with Amla powder on a wellness blog. After contracting frequent colds, she decided to incorporate a teaspoon of Amla powder into her morning smoothies. Within a few months, she noticed that her colds became less frequent and her overall energy levels improved. Sarah attributes her strengthened immune system to the consistent intake of Amla powder. Number 2. Enhances hair health. Traditionally, Amla powder has been used as a key ingredient in hair care. It strengthens hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and can even delay premature graying due to its antioxidant and nutrient profile. According to Health.com, Amla powder is a powerful scalp cleanser and helps reduce dandruff when applied directly to the scalp as a paste. The vitamin C in Amla also helps prevent the breakdown of collagen, contributing to stronger hair structure and growth. Moreover, Amla may inhibit enzymes linked to hair loss, helping to maintain a healthy scalp. Ravi, a 28-year-old from Mumbai, struggled with thinning hair and dandruff for years. After researching natural remedies, he started applying an Amla powder mask mixed with water and coconut oil once a week. Within 3 months, Ravi noticed his dandruff had significantly reduced and his hair was visibly thicker. He believes that the Amla treatment provided his scalp with the essential nutrients it needed to grow healthy hair. Number 3. Improves digestion. Amla powder is a great remedy for digestive issues like acidity, bloating, and constipation. It contains high levels of fiber, which aids in promoting healthy digestion. It also acts as a natural laxative and helps cleanse the digestive tract. Healthline mentions that Amla's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the gut lining and reduce acidity. Additionally, Amla powder may be beneficial for people with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, as it helps keep digestive processes moving without triggering excess stomach acid. Tom, a fitness enthusiast from Sydney, shared his story on social media about suffering from chronic bloating after meals. After adding a small amount of Amla powder mixed with warm water to his morning routine, Tom experienced a notable reduction in his symptoms. He reports feeling lighter and more comfortable after meals, and the change has encouraged him to keep Amla as a staple in his wellness routine. Number 4. Promotes heart health. Although more research is needed, studies show that Amla supplements may help manage lipid levels. One study found that participants who took 500 milligrams of Amla extract twice daily for 12 weeks experienced reduced cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Amla powder's antioxidants may protect against oxidative damage, regulate endothelial function, and reduce inflammation, all contributing to better heart health. It may also help reduce high blood pressure levels by widening blood vessels, thus decreasing the risk of heart disease. Number 5. May help manage diabetes. Flavonoids, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals in Amla supplements may help manage diabetes. Compounds in Amla have antioxidant activity that helps reduce cell damage and slow the breakdown of carbohydrates, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels. A study involving participants who took 1 to 3 grams of amla powder daily for 21 days showed significant reductions in blood glucose levels. Amla may be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Number 6. May help prevent cancer. Amla contains compounds like vitamin C, quercetin, and ellagic acid, which have potential cancer-preventing properties. Test tube and animal studies have shown that amla extracts can kill certain types of cancer cells, including breast, cervical, ovarian, and lung cancers. Although no human studies have confirmed these benefits, the antioxidant properties of amla may help prevent cell mutations and tumor growth, making it a potential complementary treatment during cancer therapy. Number 7. Skin health. Amla powder is a natural anti-aging agent. The antioxidants in amla neutralize free radicals, which are the leading cause of skin aging. Mixing amla powder with yogurt can create an exfoliating face mask that leaves the skin glowing. It may also help prevent collagen breakdown, promoting firmer and more youthful-looking skin. Number 8. Weight management. The fiber in amla powder keeps you full for longer, reducing the urge to snack. Studies have shown that it may improve metabolism and promote fat oxidation, assisting in weight management. Amla also boosts metabolic rate, aiding in weight loss and fat burning. Number 9. Improves eye health. Amla, being rich in vitamin A, supports eye health and may help improve vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Test tube studies suggest that amla extracts improve mitochondrial health in eye cells, potentially protecting against vision decline. Number 10. Enhances mental health. The high vitamin C content in amla promotes brain health by producing norepinephrine, which supports the functioning of brain cells. Regular consumption of amla may improve cognitive functions, memory, focus, and concentration, making it beneficial for individuals with conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Number 11. Nutritional powerhouse of amla powder. Amla powder is rich in vitamin C, containing nearly 20 times more than an orange. In addition to this high vitamin C content, it also provides an abundance of polyphenols, antioxidants, and minerals like calcium, iron, and phosphorus. It contains other compounds with antioxidant properties, including tannins, alkaloids, and polyphenols like gallic acid, ellagic acid, and various flavonoids. According to Healthline, these nutrients make amla powder an excellent natural remedy for boosting immunity, supporting skin and hair health, and promoting overall wellness. These compounds protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support various bodily functions, which can help reduce the risk of chronic health conditions. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits and uses of amla powder. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these special herbs. Question 1. How to use amla powder. Amla powder is versatile and can be consumed or used externally. Here are some effective ways to incorporate it into your lifestyle. Smoothie or juice additive. Add a teaspoon of amla powder to your daily smoothie or juice for an immune boost. Hair mask. Mix amla powder with coconut oil and apply it to your scalp. Let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it off. Face mask. Combine amla powder with honey or yogurt to create a rejuvenating face mask. Warm water drink. Stir amla powder into warm water with a touch of honey and drink it on an empty stomach to aid digestion. Question 2. What happens if I drink amla powder every day? Drinking amla powder every day can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and support hair and skin health due to its rich nutrient profile. However, excessive intake may cause stomach upset. Question 3. Does amla increase creatinine? There is no strong evidence to suggest that amla increases creatinine levels. In fact, its antioxidant properties may help support kidney health. Question 4. Is amla high in protein? Amla is not particularly high in protein. It contains about 1 gram of protein per 100 grams of amla powder. Question 5. Does amla contain vitamin D? No, amla does not contain vitamin D. Question 6. Does amla contain zinc? Yes, amla contains trace amounts of zinc, which can contribute to immune health. Question 7. Is amla rich in calcium? Yes, amla contains calcium, which is beneficial for bone health. Question 8. Does amla contain omega-3? No, amla does not contain omega-3 fatty acids. Question 9. Does amla have collagen? Amla does not contain collagen, but it helps prevent collagen breakdown in the body due to its high vitamin C content. Question 10. Is amla high in iron? Amla contains iron, though it is not particularly high compared to other iron-rich foods. Question 11. Is amla high in potassium? Yes, amla is a good source of potassium, which supports heart health. Question 12. Does amla increase BP? Amla may help lower blood pressure due to its vasodilating properties. Question 13. Does amla contain folic acid? Yes, amla contains small amounts of folic acid, which is important for cell growth and function. Question 14. Does amla increase thyroid? There is no evidence to suggest that amla directly increases thyroid levels. However, it may support overall thyroid function due to its antioxidant properties. Question 15. How much magnesium is in amla? Amla contains small amounts of magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function. Question 16. Which vitamin is highest in amla? Vitamin C is the highest in amla, making it a potent antioxidant source. Question 17. Which mineral is present in amla? Amla contains several minerals, including calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium. Question 18. What are the precautions and potential side effects of having amla powder? While amla powder is generally safe for most people, excessive consumption may lead to stomach upset due to its high vitamin C content. It's always recommended to start with a small amount, especially if you're new to it. Consult your healthcare provider if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions before adding amla to your diet. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.